Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your mail at once on Gmail. So as you can see, I'm on my Gmail account here, and I have a total of 747 emails in my account right now. This is in all mail, so it's every single mail that I've had for a while. But let's say I wanted to delete all of them. Normally, what you would have to do, if you want to delete any of them, you'd have to go right here and select them and go through and delete them. You could also go through and hold Shift and then you could select through a good amount, but as you can see, it takes a while, and then you click delete like that, and then you delete them, or you move them to trash, and pretty soon those emails will be deleted in a couple of days. However, if you're trying to clear out your Gmail and delete all of them, that would be too slow. So a faster way you could do it is click the select button right here, and it selects 50 of them at a time, and then you could delete them 50 at a time. But that also is pretty slow if you have like thousands of emails. So the best way that I've found to be able to delete all of them at once, if you if you select if you select 50 of them first, and it says all 49 conversations on this page are selected. Select, and then it gives you the option to select all 739 conversations in all mail. So if you want to do that, then you can click on that, and then you can move them to delete. You can also do this in certain boxes as well. Let's say I go to my inbox. If I click this select button right here, I can just choose all 212 in my primary. So if depending on which mail you want to get, if you want to do it on all spam, you can click right here and then choose right here as well. But as you can see, if I go to all mail, select this, select all 739, and then just click the delete button. Then it'll move all of them to the trash. So you just click OK. As you can see, it's loading for a bit. And there we go. It's all cleared out. As you can see, it should have been all cleared out, but something else appeared. So if I just do that one more, are these? There we go. So you might have to do it a couple of times to get it all the way gone. As you can see, it's all gone now. If I go to the trash, actually, then it should all be here. Yep, all under 747. If you want to, you can just go through all of them and select all 174.7 and do the same thing and just click delete forever. I'll delete all 747 or all your mail at once. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. If you have any questions you have in the comment section below, I'll do my best to answer them. I'll see you guys next time.